EVOK Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Especially looking at Evoke Pharma with a $6.90 level. This is pumped out of nowhere. You know, 162% up is absolutely astonishing good amount. This is how my chart is looking like, by the way. Like, I'll just pop up here and you will see that this is just, yeah, it's tough, but geez, it is like one of those things where if I do see the price kind of giving me a sort of a double break, then I'm still going to look to take it further down. Just because of like the nature, just because of its nature. Like if there's no sort of double break, then I'm not selling it. And that's ultimately how EVOK is looking like. There you go. If there is no confirmation, I'm not willing to take it further down. All I'm doing in the meantime is just briefly waiting. EVOK, and I don't think, yeah, there's no receipts. I was about to say I don't think there's receipts on this from beforehand, and I think that if there is a double break, still willing to take it further down. But Mr. Sicko, what if it's a bullish thing? Well, so be it. I'll keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want the course and the resources in the community risk-free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.